Surprisingly, Arabic is a famous language. Arabic-speaking people amount to 1.8 billion. It also appears among the United Nations official 6 languages. 5 best apps to learn Arabic language online free on your Android and iOS phones. Memrise. It appears in the highly popular and powerful language learning apps. You can have dozens of languages here along with Arabic. Drops. This application is newest when compared with the other apps. It emphasizes on speedy and short lectures and communicated Arabic training. HelloTalk. It slightly works as a social media platform. You can maintain your own profile and learn new languages. It provides a minimum of 100 languages along with Arabic. Duolingo. It teaches in a simple way and maintains a quick way of learning along with audio pronunciations, vocabulary, and short memory-based games. Buso. With this application, you can have the vocabulary, conversational Arabic along with grammar-focused lectures.